Hi friends, today we are going to discussing about the RRB NTPC exam which was conducted in December 2020. It's basically an exam analysis with a deep explanations. We are going to discuss about 15 questions from general awareness questions. Okay, let's start. The first question. Governor of Telangana. The Governor of Telangana. Answer is Tamilsai Soundararajan. Tamilsai Soundararajan is an Indian politician serving as the second and current Governor of Telangana. She is also the 25th and current Governor of Pondicherry as of 18th February 2021. She was the National Secretary and Tamil Nadu State Unit President of the BJP prior to this appointment. So, this Tamilsai Soundararajan is the second and the current Governor of Telangana. She is from Bharatiya Janata Party and she was the National Secretary and Tamil Nadu State Unit President of BJP. Okay, the second question. The formula of lime water. The formula of lime water. The answer is CaOH2. The formula for the lime water is CaOH2 and the chemical name for lime water is calcium hydroxide. Chemical name is calcium hydroxide. This third question. Full form of HTTP. Full form of HTTP. The answer is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. The Hypertext Transfer Protocol is an application layer protocol for distributed collaborative hypermedia information systems. It is an application layer protocol. Next question. Bile is secreted by which organ? Bile is secreted by which organ? The answer, liver. Bile is a fluid that is made and realized by the liver and stored in the gallbladder. Bile helps with digestion. It breaks down the fats into fatty acids, which can be taken into the body by the digestive tract. So bile is secreted by liver. Next one, Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke discovered what? Cell. The cell was first discovered and named by Robert Hooke in 1665. He remarked that it looked strangely similar to cellula or small rooms which monks inhabited, thus deriving the name. However, what Hooke actually saw was the dead cell walls of plant cells as it appeared under the microscope. So, Robert Hooke was the first person who discovered this cell. Next question. Who won the Rajiv Gandhi Ghel Ratna 2020? Who won the Rajiv Gandhi Ghel Ratna Award 2020? The Rajiv Gandhi Ghel Ratna, officially known as Rajiv Gandhi Ghel Ratna Award in Sports and Games, is the highest sporting honor of the Republic of India. The award is named after Rajiv Gandhi, former Prime Minister of India, who served the office from 1984 to 1985. So the answer, who won the Ghel Ratna Award 2020, the answer was Rohit Sharma, Monica Batra, Vinesh Phogat and Mariappan. Next question. Indian National Congress was founded by. Indian National Congress was founded by Alan Octavian Hume and Dadabhai Naoroji in the year 1885. Okay. So the Indian National Congress was founded in uh, 28th December 1885 by A.O. Uh, Hume, that means Alan Octavian Hume and Dadabhai Naoroji. Next question. Sanchi Stepa was dis- declared as the World's Heritage Site in which year? In which year? The Sanchi is the Buddhist complex famous for its great stupa on the hilltop at Sanchi town in Raisen district of the state of Madhya Pradesh, India. It is located in 46 kilometers northeast of Bhopal, capital of Madhya Pradesh, and it was declared as a World Heritage Site in the year 1989. In the year 1989, and it was sorry, it it in it is in the state of Madhya Pradesh. What kind of tax GST is? What kind of tax GST is? Goods and service tax is an indirect tax used in India on the supply of goods and services. It is a comprehensive, multi stage, destination based tax, comprehensive because it has summed almost all the indirect taxes except a few state taxes. GST is an indirect tax. What do you mean by an indirect tax? There is an intermediate between the taxpayer and the government. So it is called indirect tax. Next one, father of Babur. Who is the father of Babur? The Babur was the founder of the Mughal Empire and first emperor of Mughal dynasty in the Indian subcontinent. Okay. So his father Umar Saik Mirza II. He was born on 14th February 1483 in Uzbek, Uzbekistan and died in December 26, 1530 in Agra. Next question. Who is the CM of Kerala? Who is the CM of Kerala? Answer, Pinarayi Vijayan. Pinarayi Vijayan. Pinarayi Vijayan is an Indian politician who is the current Chief Minister of Kerala, serving since 25th May 2016. A member of the Politburo of the Communist Party of India, he is the longest serving secretary of the Kerala State Committee of CPIM from 1998 to 2015. He is also served in the government of Kerala as Minister of Electric Power and Cooperatives from 1996 to 1998. Vijayan won a seat in the May 2016 Kerala Legislative Assembly election as the CPIM candidate for Dharmadam constituency and was selected as the leader of Left Democratic Front, that means LDF, and became the 12th Chief Minister of Kerala. So the CM of Kerala is um, Pinarayi Vijayan. Next question. Prime Minister of Japan. Who is the Prime Minister of Japan? The answer is Yoshihide, sorry, Yoshihide Suga. He is the Japanese politician who has been Prime Minister of Japan since September 2020. He was Chief Cabinet Secretary under Prime Minister Shinzo Abe from 2012 to 2020 and Minister for Internal Affairs and Communications from 2006 to 2007. Next question, when is the Constitution Day declared? Sorry, celebrated. When the Constitution Day celebrated? The answer 26th November. 26th November. The Constitution Day is also known as National Law Day is celebrated in India on 26th November every year to adoption of the Constitution of India. On 26th November 1949, the Constituent Assembly of India adopted the Constitution of India and it came into effect on 26th January 1950. Next question. Chandrayaan 2 was launched by which vehicle? Chandrayaan 2 is launched by which vehicle? Chandrayaan 2 launched from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, India, aboard a GSLV rocket on July 22nd, 2019 and reached lunar orbit on August. India's second mission to the moon, Chandrayaan 2, was launched on 22nd July 2019 and it the orbit which was injected into lunar orbit on 2nd September 2019 carries 8 experiments to address many open questions on lunar science. So the vehicle is called GSLV Mk3M1. The last question, what is the name of skill development scheme? What is the name of skill development scheme? The answer PMKVY, that is Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana. It is a flagship scheme of the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, that MSDE. The objective of this skill certification scheme is to enable a large number of Indian youth to take up industry relevant skill training that will help them in securing a better livelihood. So, the one of the skill development scheme by Pradhan Mantri is Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana. So these are the 15 questions which is asked for NTPC exam in conducted in December 2020. So that's it. Thank you.